Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the latest launches, updates, and future models in the automotive world. Today, we take a detailed look at the new 2026 Mahindra Bolero Neo N10, a rugged compact SUV that carries forward Mahindra's legacy of durability, practicality, and tough road performance. The 2026 Bolero Neo N10 comes with a refreshed exterior that blends traditional Bolero toughness with modern styling elements. The front fascia now features a bolder grille with chrome detailing, redesigned LED headlamps, and a sportier-looking bumper. Mahindra has also upgraded the wheel design, giving the SUV a more premium stance on the road. The raised bodyline, wider track, and refreshed cladding maintain its rugged character, making it suitable for both city and rural terrains. Stepping inside, the 2026 N10 variant focuses on improved comfort and practicality. The dual-tone dashboard, premium fabric seats, and better cabin insulation create a more refined environment. Mahindra has introduced a larger touchscreen infotainment system, now supporting smoother connectivity, along with upgraded speakers for enhanced audio quality. The cabin offers ample headroom and legroom, making it ideal for families and long-distance travel. The new Bolero Neo N10 now includes advanced features such as improved cruise control, automatic climate control, and smartphone integration. The MID cluster has been redesigned to provide cleaner visuals and easier readability. The SUV also includes USB charging ports, keyless entry, and a smart start/stop system that improves fuel efficiency in traffic. These upgrades make the 2026 model more user-friendly and modern compared to previous generations. Powering the 2026 Bolero Neo N10 is Mahindra's reliable M-Hawk diesel engine, tuned for better fuel efficiency, reduced NVH levels, and stronger low-end torque. The rear-wheel drive layout ensures stable handling on uneven surfaces, while the body-on-frame construction maintains the classic Bolero strength. Whether it's highway driving, off-road paths, or daily commuting, the N10 variant delivers consistent, dependable performance. Safety receives a noticeable boost in the 2026 model. Mahindra now offers dual airbags, ABS with EBD, cornering stability control, hill start assist, and an improved chassis structure for better impact protection. The high seating position and wide windshield provide excellent visibility, which adds to the overall driving confidence. The Bolero Neo N10 continues to be known for low maintenance costs, strong build quality, and high resale value. The 2026 model pushes this further with enhanced durability and better long-term reliability. Its combination of modern features and rugged capability makes it a strong choice for buyers who want an SUV that performs equally well in cities and rural areas. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero Neo N10 proves that Mahindra is committed to preserving the rugged identity of the Bolero while bringing advancements in technology, comfort, and safety. It is a smart blend of tradition and modernity, making it a practical SUV for a wide range of drivers. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more automotive updates, upcoming models, and detailed reviews. Thanks for watching.